Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things will help us make more great videos for you.
It's the 30th of January 2022 and I'm glad to say that Amazon have sorted out one of their many problems today, and that problem was when you went in to clean up your applications. So if you went into manage installed applications and went into any of the Amazon or Alexa apps on the stick, then it seemed to be affecting the 4K stick, not any others, not the 4K Max but just the regular 4K stick. If you went into here, then suddenly it would boot you back out to this menu here. Any other apps that you went into to clean up seemed absolutely fine. So if you went into sort of the downloader app, for instance, that would still let you clear the data and clear the cache or cache, no problem. But it just seemed to affect any of the Amazon apps. Well, I'm glad to say that has now been fixed now, and it should be working without even having to do an update on the stick. But if yours hasn't fixed itself, leave it for a few minutes, leave it connected to the internet for a few minutes, see if the problem solves itself. If it doesn't, then go across to the cog over there, go down to My Fire TV, go to About, and then go down to check for updates and just force check for updates. But like I say, you shouldn't need to do this. It should have fixed itself by now on its own. Hope this guide helps, and I hope your Fire TV stick's now working again as normal.
I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech, and also find my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thank you very much.